Oh, this is Mick, as you can see here. PC800 had all the wheels powder coated. Just putting them all back together. Beautiful metallic sort of paint job, I don't know if you can see that. Had all these powder coated, you know, in gloss black. These powder coated, they've got to be done up. That's got to be retorqued, brakes rebuilt, and as you can see, looking pretty good. Okay, so as you can see, beautiful finish this. See the shine on that. But just getting ready to put everything back together. Okay, use brass valves, which aren't rubber, so you don't need that thing to actually hold them at all. All right, all the bolts covered in beautiful stuff. This anti-seize, it's like a silver. You know, normally it's copper. The silver stuff definitely works a lot better. Okay, very, very good stuff. Permatex. And just basically ready to put the mudguard back on. Sprayed the radiator with the old special heat paint. Okay, you want some VHT paint for that, which does tend to allow heat in and out, so that will be a good thing to use. But as you can see, gradually getting on with it, and it should be ready hopefully for tomorrow. So I'll go out for a blast down to 38 to Tamworth. If you're interested in any wheel powder coating, as you can see, this looks pretty cool. Very, very nice finish. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you. Metallic finishes like this available. Satin black, matte black. This is your satin. Okay, this is more pervious to water. The matte actually isn't it, because it's matte. It means it isn't a complete surface, solid surface like that. And these have got matte lacquer on top with sparkle in. So if you're interested in a really cool look, you can have them in blue, green, whatever colour you like. Give us about 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.